Most likely you're watching this video because your computer is running with some issue here. As you're trying to open a program you have recently installed, one of these errors arrived. The program can't start because msvcp140d.dll is missing from your computer, or the code execution cannot proceed. msvcp140d.dll was not found. These are the exact same problem and it has the exact same solution as well. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error. Before we start, let me thank you for your amazing support in my previous videos. So consider giving me your support and do not forget to like and subscribe. So enough with the intro, let's get started. The first method is to download the DLL and place it to the right folders. You need to first download the DLL. In order to download that, you need to first go to Google and search for msvcp140d.dll. You can choose any result you want. In this case, let's choose the first one. This video is not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. You can see few download options based on the computer architecture and version. If you don't know your architecture and version, click on Start and search for System Information. Here you go, you can see mine is a 64-bit PC and I am updated, and you can see my version as well. So in this case, let's choose the second one. I highly recommend you to read this page, it has other fixing method also. As the download completes, hit open. Inside the DLL file, you can see the DLL file. In order to move the DLL, you need to first open this PC, then locally C, Windows, and find a folder name System32. There it is. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL and drop, and click on continue to give administrator access. Before we go ahead, let's check if the file is placed or not. By typing the entire file name, you can see the file is placed in 32-bit folders. So job is done for 32-bit users. So you can go and restart your computer. This is the summary of the process. This part is for only 64-bit users. You need to open this PC one more time. And then your system drive, in this case locally C, Windows, and find a folder name syswow64. Then similarly drag the DLL and drop, and click on continue to give administrator access. You need to do the same with System32 folder as well. Check this one more time. Yeah, the file is properly placed in 64-bit folders as well. And finally, restart your computer. This is the summary of the entire process. Every computer is different. In some special cases, if the error tail occurs, you need to first go to Google and search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, and you will be heading to the Microsoft website. Click on your language and click on download and choose your Windows version and click next, and the download will start shortly. You can read the download manual, install manual as well, and it's an exe file, so you don't have any problem. And that's all. If you follow me step by step, you no longer have that problems left. Consider giving me super thanks if the video helps you. And let me know if you have any questions or suggestion, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Hey, why don't you watch my other videos? Thank you for watching.